In this video, I will show you how to change the color of an image on Figma. So in order to change that, what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here the image that we want to edit. So we have in here this image, and as you can see, it has the color of brownish. So if you want to change that, what you can do is you can head right here to design on the right hand panel. Then after that, scroll down. And in here we have in here the fill which have our image. So you can head over and then click onto this add or this plus icon right here in order to add another fill. And to this fill right here, just head over and then click on that and then choose in here a color that you want to use. For example, you can make it like this, which is actually redder, or you can make it something like bluish, just like that. So you can arrange that just like this, and it will have in here a fill like that. However, if you want to edit the actual image in order to change its color, you can head over and click onto this image and then change up the contrast, the saturation, the exposure, as well as the temperature, and all of this that you have right there in order to change the color. As you can see earlier, we have brownish, now we have something like yellow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.